Greetings everyone! Today we're going to be showing you how to enter benchmark data. It's important to enter our benchmark data because it shows the progress that students are making when they have a caring adult in their life. And we share this information with our partners, and then they're more likely to help us. On top of that, it's really interesting and heartwarming to see your own impact. So I really think this is important, and I'm excited to go over it with you today. To start, you log into your AmeriCorps account. As you can see, I've already logged into my AmeriCorps account. Under reporting, right here, you go to submit reports, and then you would go to student tracking 2017. Okay, then your students that you've entered show up. You find a student to work with. Today we're going to be using Snoop Dogg, so you click on Edit Benchmark. And then for this area, you enter the date that you're entering everything. So the 29th is the day that we're making this. Here, you would enter the number of academic days in the baseline. Now, in order to do this, well, not baseline, sorry, in the benchmark. In order to do this, you would go to a calendar. This, I just Googled Minneapolis school calendar, and it shows the calendar year. You can either count how many days are in each benchmark, or some of the calendars, if you go to the bottom down here, you can see that they have how many days by semester and by quarter that you have, so you can get that information from your school website. The total number of days excused and unexcused, or the days absent, this you would do any day that the student misses, or any day where they miss more than 50% of the day. So that's what that is. And then here you enter the total number of days arriving late to school. We only want students who are arriving late first period. So if they come to school first period and then skip fifth period, do not count that. Only count days that they show up late for first period. The student engagement total is in the baseline data and at the end of the year, so you don't have to do anything with this. The work completion, you can ask teachers to help out with that. It's the baseline class in your baseline information that you chose at the beginning of the year. It shows an example of consistency, and this class should be the same as the year-long class from the baseline data. So we're kind of trying to make sure that we track the same class all year. When you're all done filling in your information, you can go to the very bottom of the page and click on Save. Remember, benchmark 5 does not exist. We're trying to get this taken out of OnCorps currently. Don't worry about that. Schools don't have 5 quarters. Anytime that you're putting the end of the student engagement total, that would go here for the last benchmark that you have with that student. If it's the end of the year, great. If you lose a student to moving or dropping out, that would go in whichever benchmark is the last benchmark you've worked with the student. And again, click Save, and then you're all done with your benchmark data. Now, the one thing we want to make sure you remember is that benchmark 1 is pretty much interchangeable with quarter 1. So there's that. And if you have any other questions, please let us know. Make sure you contact your trainer or your Promise Follow leader for help. And we hope this really helped you guys out. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.